Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. I've been extending the shop, so literally everything's crammed in here along with a bunch of building supplies, and I can't even really walk in here, so that's why I haven't been doing much with the truck. Hopefully the shop will be done in the next month and a half, so I'll be able to move a lot of this stuff over there. I'll do a little video on all that here shortly, but I've been receiving a couple questions about the cab corner edge where it meets the lower pinch weld seam, and the stamps on the cab corners have a different edge than the factory cab had. So I'm gonna step over there and kind of get up close to show y'all, and hopefully that will better answer some questions that I know somebody has had recently, but I've had the question in the past and tried to explain it over text, and I don't think it's as clear. So I don't remember if I mentioned it in any of the cab corner videos, so anyway, this is kind of a supplement to that. Basically the question is, hey, the replacement cab corner lip does not match the lip of the factory pinch weld seam. How did you handle this? So I actually had to replace the pinch weld seam on this cab, this rear seam on this cab and a previous cab, and like the person was saying, that the lips don't match. So what I did is I took a pair of channel locks and kind of tweaked this with my body hammer and dolly. It's not perfect, you know, remember this is underneath your cab and behind the bed, so you know, I got it relatively close. Doesn't need to be perfect. This is just one layer. This is one coat of sealer. Actually, it's technically two coats, but it's one application of sealer, so there's no filler back here or primer or anything like that. Same thing over here. That side looks a little bit better, but I just tweaked this last inch or two of the replacement panel. So hopefully this video helps some of y'all. This is just a quick tip as it relates to the cab corners and replacing those. So if this video helps you or you enjoy the content, please make sure you're liking and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.